Log into Clickbank here. So Clickbank is a marketplace for affiliate marketers. It's got products, everything that you could think of, honestly. So let's go down to health and fitness. And instead of searching for anything, let's just go over here and we'll go to gravity, which means it's just the most sold. Those gravity scores and initial conversions, reoccurring bills. This is the one that's getting the most, has the most use and the most success by people. So what we're going to do is we're just going to, let's check this out. So the tropical secret for healthy weight loss. Actually going to use this one since it gets the most bang for its buck. It's got reoccurring, so that means that people will continue to keep buying it. It could potentially keep paying for years. And remember, at the end of this, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic to this gum. Hit promote. Okay, so you type in your nickname, you hit create hop link, and it creates a hop link for you. So you copy that, and you go down to notes. Go back to our document. Now, before start now, let's do this. Paste all of that. Now to get results without changing your diet, check out Zotrim weight loss supplement. And here is our link right here, our hop link. So copy your link. Insert link. Hit apply. Now there you go. Let's change the color on that. But this whole thing is now a link.